Howdy. Welcome to Face the Dark. That's from yesterday. Denmark's mystery tremors caused by acoustic waves from unknown source, officials say. I haven't read this yet. I read some other article and they are referring to this one. So let's read this. A series of minor tremors recorded on the Danish Baltic island of Bornholm Saturday has puzzled scientists who now say they were caused by acoustic pressure waves from an unknown source. At first, the tremors were thought to have been caused by earthquakes. Then, seismologists theorized that they originated from controlled explosions in Poland, more than 140 kilometers, nearly 90 miles to the south. On Monday, the Geological Survey of Denmark and Greenland, an official body that monitors the underground, said the tremors were not caused by earthquakes but by pressure waves from an event in the atmosphere. However, they came from an unknown source. The seismologists can report that it is unlikely that the tremors originate from a controlled explosion in Poland, which was carried out shortly before the first reports of tremors on Bornholm. The body, known as GEUS, said in a statement. On Saturday, Joyce said it had received more than 60 tips from people on Bornholm that earthquake-like tremors, described as a deep rumbling, shaking and rattling, cause changing pressure in the ear, had been reported in the afternoon on Bornholm. No one was hurt. Police said they too were contacted by members of the public about the tremors on the eastern part of the island. Danish media reported that the tremors caused a crack in the wall of a house. GEUS said the seismic tremors were measured at a magnitude 2.3. Polish authorities have said that there was an intensive activity during the Anaconda 23 exercise in Ustka, northern Poland, involving jet fighters and live firing of artillery munitions. GEUS, an independent research and advisory institution which Denmark's Ministry of Climate, Energy and Utilities, said that it had 2 seismographs on Bornholm that collected data around the clock. Bornholm, home to nearly 40,000 people, is a rocky island in the Baltic Sea, south of Sweden, northeast of Germany, and north of Poland. Let's go to Bornholm. 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 Betersker. So they were talking about the eastern part, but let's check out some pictures first. Seems to be that there has been Christmas time. There is a train. It's just a small miniature train, but there might have been some train tracks there on the island. I have no idea. Because there might have been also some mining operations there. That's why they built this train thing. Maybe. I have no idea. But anyway, this doesn't lead anywhere because we are just watching some city. On the east, is there anything there? Rockestenen. Rockstone, or what does that mean? Yeah, check it out. Erratic boulders. And the lake on the island. Really? It might be the sea as well. Yeah, that's the rock. And this might be petrified clay too. Or maybe it's limestone. Vitrified limestone. And that's in the forest. So there is an area on this small island where we have forest going on. Which might indicate that it's probably not really very well suited for housing or living there. I don't know. But there must be a reason. There's a waterway. Check it out. Oh is probably the name of that. So there might be somewhere a source. This looks like a water body. This looks like a water body. These might be peatlands, so they might be slightly acidic. Hogan. Tourist attraction. Yet another stone. Dog person. Another dog person. Yeah. Forests. What else? Still, let's check something out. It would be... Maybe I should have gone to Google Maps because they have better marked the water veins and stuff like that, and you can switch between terrain and satellite pictures. Should we check one of these out? Let's check this out and then I will end it. There's a stream of water. At least it looks like this to me. So the question is, where is this water coming from? You know, there's no glacier on that island or whatsoever. And I have been showing you other places in the Baltic Sea which are rather interesting. Let's go a little bit, zoom out, and then we have to go here. And I'm not sure if that's Denmark or Sweden. Hornfiskron. That's the wrong island. Where is Hornfiskron? Can't be here. It must be up here somewhere. No, I was at the wrong place. Here it is. Totally wrong place. Hornfiskron. Doesn't it look rather interesting? And if you go even closer, you will find this thing here. Yeah, it has actually probably some, even a hexagonal shape. I don't know. And the thing is, off the coast of the Netherlands, there is at least one island which is growing. And I couldn't find too much information about this Hornfiskron, but it is very interesting. It has very many very interesting features. Like these here. And there's another one here. There isn't any crater on these, or At least on this smaller one. Here, I would say, let's just call this a crater. Because there's obviously a hole in the ground. But here we don't have any hole. At least it doesn't look like that. But still we have these patches, which might indicate that there's more water or different water. Or something is different in the soil or sediment. Now let's just check out still something. Rise or Salt Sudri. Now there's a mountain on top of that island. And on some places it's rather flat. I can imagine that's rather a windy place there. But anyway, Hornfiskron. Very interesting. Which is not too far away from where we just have been. Bornholm. No, that's Gotland. I think it's here. Bornholm. Is that Bornholm? Yes. So you can check them out. Check this out for yourself. See if you find anything interesting. And let's see if there's any other news about that strange occurrence. Like, they don't know what it is, but it has been a tool. And I haven't seen anything on the volcano application. Let's see. Thanks. Bye.